Hey guys, welcome to a new video on the channel. I know it's been a while, I'm sorry. I've been up to a lot of stuff, it's been a busy week. I also wasn't feeling too well, so I didn't want to do a live cop. The week was insane. It was Supreme Stone Island week. It was good, good quality stuff. I liked the utility vest and even the jumpers, the jackets, they were all insane. So I was ill and I had a lot of unit work to do, so I done that. The first thing I actually done on my channel was the unboxing of the Jordan 1 Rookie of the Years. So we have the Jordan 1 Phantoms / Sale Reds. These released on Saturday the 16th for $129.95, the normal retail price for a Jordan. They sold out in the normal sizes, but I think you can still get a couple pairs in 11, 12 and 13s on Nike Sneakers app. So if you want a size, that size, then go check it and there should be some. Let's have a top down view of the sneakers. Hey guys, so this is the top down view, so I'm just going to open the box for you. It's just a normal, you don't even need a knife at this point. You just pull the tab off. Pin that. So it's just a normal box. You've obviously got the pull for freshness, so you just open this up. And I'll just take away this, and there we go, there's the famous Jordan 1 box, and I'll just get rid of this other box. But yeah, here we have the normal Jordan 1 box, the legendary. So we're just going to open it. These shoes are so nice. I'm surprised the bigger sizes didn't sell out. Usually they're one of the first to go. Well, the smaller than the larger. So here we go, guys. It's the Phantoms Sale Reds. So it's a white and red colourway. Can't really go wrong, can you? First thoughts, the leather all over the shoe seems to be a bit creased. That's what they're going with though, that's the leather quality on this shoe. And the toe box is also a bit creased, you can kind of see it. But it's nothing major due to the fact that it's like how they've designed the shoe and that's how they want it to be. Although not all pairs will be like this because Jordans sometimes have a lot of manufacturing faults, but that's fine. So it comes with the white laces, the red laces and the black laces. I'd probably just keep in mind with the white now. So I'll just give you a quick pan. I'll give you a couple pan shots of it, and then I'll lace them up for you guys and then we'll try them on.
You fought well yesterday. Your style is unorthodox.
So that, guys, was the on foot of the Jordan 1 Sale / Phantoms. I love this shoe, I love the red accents on it. Red's the dominant colour on it. if you can see quickly, it's got the red stitching all along the side. If you can see, it's got the stitching all along, and it has the red upper material here, kind of like a mesh material, quite nice. It's also got a backdrop on the tick, gave it some depth and colour, it still adds to the red. Really nice. So, a bit of information on the Phantom / Sale Reds. The latest iterations, this is the Phantom Sale Red. It's dressed in a sale stitching and colour. It's a more modern take on like the essential colour of red, which is used in nearly everyday life and used in a lot of outfits. Everybody like kind of uses it at some point. And the stitching pays homage to the colours red and black because it's got the black stitching and then the red stitching, as you can see. So on the tongue you've got the black stitching here, and then everywhere else you've got the red stitching. It's really nice details. The leather quality is good, a bit washed, but it is good. I like it. I'd give this like 7 Jordans out of 10. It's not my favourite Jordan there is. This isn't my favourite Jordan by far, but it is one of the ones I've got, and it is nice. I'll be wearing it so much. Hopefully I'll actually get some Insta pics up soon so you can see them. Quick hint, just follow Jack_Nisbet and Diabetus_shoes for me. Cheers. The red detailing, as I said, gives depth to the swoosh. It just gives it an all-round feel, and it sets the shoe, and it gives the colourway, and it just looks so nice. And the retro-inspired Nike Air logo tab on the top of the tongue gives it an old rustic look. The colourway's nice, everything again, so 7 out of 10, not bad. Would buy again, especially in a different colourway. I know they're coming out with the pandas and they're coming out with the yellow toes. Pandas in April I think, and yellow toes are later on. Both peacocks if I can actually get my hands on them. But you know, my luck's like with Nike sneakers, it never usually happens. So guys, thanks for watching the video. I know I've been away for a while, but I'll be back doing my normal uploads hopefully. If you guys picked them up, let me know down below what size you got. I got a size 9. If you like them or not, if you're going to flip them. I know there's a wee bit of sale, I know there's a wee bit of profit on them, just a wee bit though, if you're using StockX, so it may have been a good idea. Thanks guys, so if you want to leave a like if you liked the video, and leave a dislike and tell me why down below if you didn't like the video. As I said, follow my Instagrams, Diabetus Shoes and Jack_Nisbet. Thanks so much guys, I've been Diabetus and peace.